Hi, I thought I'd start another vlog. Today we've actually got some people working on the house because, for those of you that don't know, we moved into this house as a new build just over a year ago. So we've gone through that thing of going through the whole house and deciding what needs to be fixed and stuff. So for example, I don't know if you can be able to tell, but the ceiling up here, there are some little bits that have needed to be kind of fixed and replastered. So they've been fixed. The plaster is coming later on today, but if you can hear the noise in the background, that is the guy that's been, I won't even pretend to understand what is going on, but there's like things in the ceiling and it hasn't got enough screws in it. I don't know, whatever's holding up the ceiling. So there was a creak in my mum and dad's bedroom, which was going into the kitchen. Something that I possibly wouldn't have even thought to complain about or mention. And my dad mentioned it and they've had to put like a million screws in it. So I'm gonna show you because the plaster is coming later on today. And so if I don't show you now, you'll never see it and it looks horrendous. So that is what we're doing. I've just bought myself a new rug for this room, which is the living room. Here is the rug. For those of you that saw the rug before, I love my IKEA black and white rug, but it was driving me absolutely crazy because it was constantly crooked and like rippling because it was so big, and a thin pile or a low pile rippling underneath the sofa. So I decided I needed to go for kind of a smaller and heavier style rug again. So we've got this one from B&Q today. We've been and got some garden stuff. I'm feeling the spring cleaning mood. It did snow earlier on today. It's definitely not spring yet. It's freezing cold, but I'm in kind of that vibe. So I'm gonna have a big cleaning day and I thought I would pick up the camera and just show you some of the stuff that's going on in the house. So these are the holes and they are all going to get individually filled by the plaster. I do not relish that task. I did make some headway in the cleaning the living room department. However, then I've been sitting and editing a vlog. Also, I do quite like this rug. I loved the black and white one so much. And I've just ordered, because it's a grey, but it looks like a blue grey. Although it looks way, okay, Manny's gonna lie in the sun. It looks way more grey on camera. In real life, it looks like a pale blue to me. But I don't know, next to the blue. No, in real life it does look more blue. So, because of that, these are now driving me crazy because I love them, but they don't look right. So I've ordered some kind of, they look almost like tie-dye kind of, I want to say tropical, but no, like Mediterranean-y. I don't know. Some cushion covers from H&M and hopefully they'll arrive tomorrow and they'll look good with the kind of blue, but also with the muted colours. And then I have an H&M pile from over there. Let me just show you what I bought. These boots, I think were about £25 and they are so comfortable. I just tried them on. I used to have a pair of H&M boots that were really similar, but not so, you know, that like more interesting cut in the side. They were a bit more boring, but they were really comfortable. So I thought I would have another pair of those. This is a scarf, which I'm gonna wear in a moment. A khaki hoodie, pretty basic. I've been living in hoodies recently. This one was in the sale. I think it was only about £12. It's really quite a thick knit. And because it's been so cold recently, I thought this would be quite cool. And it is a hoodie. It's a little bit short, a little bit cropped, but not too badly. I thought this would look really nice under leather jackets and stuff, but it would still be warm because it's been so cold. And then the last thing that I got, because would you believe I do not have a Breton striped t-shirt in my wardrobe right now, because loads of them got holes in them and stuff, and I just ended up getting rid of things that looked a bit worn. And I got this one because it's about to be Valentine's Day and it says L'Amour in glittery thread, and I thought it was cute. So that is my high-speed H&M haul. Manny's just about to, he's realised that someone's come into plaster in the kitchen. Now I've got to go and get Ella from school because she had a detention. Actually worked for me because Milo's got his Valentine's disco today. So they ended up both coming out later than normal. So I'm gonna go and get Ella. I've got to go to the post office to take some eBay stuff. Then I'm gonna go and get Milo. Buddy's just joined us because he can't be in the kitchen with the plaster, obviously. So these guys have got a promise that they're not gonna wreck the living room when we leave them in here. I was gonna say getting out of the house for the first time today, but that's a complete lie. Because obviously I took the kids to school this morning and then I went to B&Q with Dad earlier on. because he gets like a 10% off retirement discount, I don't know, over a certain age discount. So we went and got the rug, and we got some plants and some pots and things for the garden. So not actually true at all. I have been out. Good morning, it's a new day and it's still freezing, which is why I'm wearing a scarf indoors, and I'm wearing my new hoodie, which I'm quite enjoying, but it's not that thick. I actually talked about this on Twitter this morning. I like a hoodie or a sweatshirt that is thick enough that you can get away without wearing a bra. That is what I like. And I'm not sure this is, so you know, also another reason for a scarf. So I just had my H&M delivery, and I'm going to pop on these and show you what they look like. I actually think they're pretty much perfect. Like I said to you yesterday, they're kind of that muted blue, and I think that that is going to go really, really nicely. Is it too much kind of clashy? Colour-wise, I think they go pretty well. And then what I'm going to do is change these pictures behind. So like, I'm just not feeling this huge picture and all the small ones, so I think I'm going to swap that. I don't know, that might go into our bedroom. I really like that picture, but now I'm feeling it doesn't really go with the living room. Although I did print off pictures to go with that. So maybe those pictures will change as well. But yeah, the big pictures, let's just take it down. I just think that looks better. I really, really would like to do another shelf above there, but I'm a bit nervous of getting it straight. It's one thing to put, because these are two different shelves from IKEA, it's one thing to put those two shelves together and get them relatively straight, but to have two more above and keep them actually parallel might be too tough a task. What do you think of that instead of the map? Let's just go a little bit further out. I could just have that like for the summertime, and then the map could go in the rest of the time. That's the map. The map, by the way, is actually wrapping paper from Paperchase in a frame, which I think looks really cool. By the way, I'm watching Mad Men. I thought I'd show you a couple of other things while we're here. These are the same frames, or the same, not frames, shelves, the picture frame. Picture shelves is the word I'm looking for, that I have downstairs with the pictures on them, but I used them in the bathroom, and I think I would like to get more. I think they look really cool as little bathroom shelves. In case anyone's wondering, we now have a bathroom light, so that's good. No more candlelit baths, although I might miss that. And if you can ignore all of the stuff on the bedside tables, because I just refuse to believe other people's bedside tables don't look like that. I've actually put the rug that was in the living room underneath the bed. I've seen this, it's very Pinterest. My bedroom is not very Pinterest, but I really like that. And now I want a new, whatever this is called, the thing that covers the divan, because it just looks like it doesn't go. I want like a really, really dark grey or something. I really would like a new headboard, and I need to put something on that wall. The reason I haven't yet in all this time is the bed's moved around quite a bit, and I think this probably is going to be where the bed stays. But I'm very much enjoying this in the room. If you've seen The Greatest Showman, how much does this remind you of that thing that he gets, you know, that they wish into, and then he spins it around and it goes in the kid's bedroom? I'm hoping that when it's dark, this will be like a little bit like a disco ball, because it's all perforated. I'm just gonna put it in. Yes, it will. I don't know if you can see that, but can you see the light on the wall? Oh, it's gonna look so pretty at night time. We're gonna do a little test in the downstairs bathroom because there's no windows.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me.
I have no idea where we left it off yesterday, but I'm off to Newcastle today, so I thought I would finish this vlog and start another one. I've just got my bags here. I thought I would just show you what I'm wearing because I'm not entirely sure about this outfit. It's a bit weird, this top, right? It's huge, like really, it's supposed to be oversized. Like you can see it's tight on my wrist, but not on the arms. I don't know if this is just going to be like a round the house thing. Also a little bit itchy. It's okay for this area because I've got a t-shirt on, but around my neck and on my arms it is a little bit itchy. I was going to wear this underneath my leather jacket, but I actually think it's going to be too big. This is the bag from New Look. I don't know if I show you in this vlog or not, that I'm going to take. I'm quite enjoying this. I think it's quite nice. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Like it holds a lot more than you would think. And then I'm taking my little red bag with me. And my Vans. I like the idea of this jumper, but it's not working. I'm going to try a different one. So it doesn't look terrible with the jacket, and it is going to be freezing, but I think I'm going to stick with comfort and a regular hoodie. So that is it. I might do another kind of around the house vlog when we've got some more stuff to show you. Obviously the ceiling's getting done. We're actually getting a new door, it's a whole thing. And I want to do some stuff in here as well. So let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video. Also, I nearly like choked. Let me know what I should do here. I'd like to do maybe like a gallery wall or something, but suggestions, answer on a postcard. And I will see you guys in the next one.